everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if we consider the IMT, then IMT के 3 campuses है, like in Ghaziabad, Hyderabad and Nagpur. So the last date of application for all the 3 campuses is 23rd of January. With this video, we are going to discuss about the selection criteria, about the admission process for all the 3 campuses, what about the placements for the IMT Ghaziabad, Hyderabad and Nagpur, and what about the batch profile for all the 3 campuses. That everything we will discuss with this video. So if we consider the IMT Ghaziabad, then it accepts the score of the CAT and XAT entrance examination for their admission process. So if your CAT and XAT percentile are 90 percentile or more than that, then this is one of the good option you can consider with. Whereas if we consider the IMT Nagpur and IMT Hyderabad, so it accepts the score of the CAT, XAT entrance examination for their admission process. Along with the CAT and XAT, it accepts the score of the CMAT entrance examination for their admission process. So if your CAT and XAT score is 75 percentile to 80 percentile, then these are the options you can consider with. And if your CMAT score is 80 to 85 percentile, then these are the options you can consider with on the basis of your CMAT score. If we consider the important dates for IMT, then the application deadline for phase 2 is 23rd January. And if we consider it about the eligibility criteria, then minimum 3 years bachelor's degree in any discipline with minimum 50% marks in aggregate is needed. Then CAT, XAT or GMAT score is needed for IMT Ghaziabad. And if we consider it for IMT Nagpur and IMT Hyderabad, so it accepts the score of the CAT, XAT, GMAT, and along with that it accepts the score of the CMAT entrance examination also. So if you are interested for IMT, you need to apply before 23rd of January. And if we consider the shortlisting process, then in the shortlisting of the candidates, they consider the various parameters like your academic background is considered, your entrance course is considered, and your work experience is also considered. And on this basis, you will receive the call for the particular campus. So if we consider the IMT Ghaziabad, then it provides you the 2 years of PGDM program, PGDM in marketing, PGDM in financial management, PGDM BFS and PGP DCP, that is dual country program. If we consider the IMT Nagpur campus, then it provides you the 2-year PGDM, then PGDM in financial management and PGDM in marketing. Whereas for the IMT Hyderabad, it provides you the 2-year of PGDM program, then PGDM in financial management, PGDM in marketing, PGDM in IT and PGDM in logistics and supply chain management. Now coming to the fees structure, so if we consider the IMT campus in the Ghaziabad, so the overall fees for the 2 years of PGDM program, it is nearly up to 21,53,000 rupees. Whereas if we consider it for the female candidates who are admitted to any PGDM program at IMT Ghaziabad, will receive a scholarship of 25% on the academic fees. If we consider the fees for the IMT Nagpur, then it is nearly up to 15 lakhs rupees, and the female candidates who are admitted to any of the PGDM program at IMT Nagpur will receive a scholarship of 20% on the academic fees for the IMT Nagpur, and same with the IMT Hyderabad also. If we consider the fees for the IMT Hyderabad, then it is also 15 lakhs rupees for the 2 years of PGDM program. Now coming to the placements for the IMT Ghaziabad, so the average salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 17.35 lakhs per annum. The median salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 16 lakhs per annum, and the highest CTC offered with this college, it is nearly up to 65.6 lakhs per annum. So if we consider there are top 20% candidates are with the average salary package of 25.30 lakhs per annum and with the median salary package of 22.23 lakhs per annum. There are top 10% candidates are with the average salary package of 29.61 lakhs per annum and with the median salary package of 28.75 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the sector-wise placements, then there are 31.9% placements are with the BFSI, 18.4% placements are with the IT and ITES, then 12.7% placements are with the consumer goods and products, 12.1% placements are with the consulting, 3.8% placements are with the automobile, 3.4% placements are with the manufacturing and engineering, then 3.2% placements are with the logistics and supply chain management, 3.0% placements are from the retail, 3% placements are from the internet business, 2.5% placements are from the pharma and healthcare, 2.5% placements are from the marketing and advertising, and 3.5% placements are from the other. And if we consider the top recruiters for IMT Ghaziabad, then those are Amazon, Airtel, Bajaj, Bain and Company, HSBC, Flipkart, KPMG, HDFC Bank, ICICI First Bank, Microsoft, Infosys, Marico, Philips, Paytm, Safari, Tolaram, and there are so many companies are over there. Now coming to the placements for the IMT Nagpur, then the highest salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 20.14 lakhs per annum. The average salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 10.81 lakhs per annum, and the median salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 10 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the sector-wise placements, then there are 37% placements are from the IT and ITES, 6% placements are from the FMCG and FMCD, 15% placements are from the consulting, 17% placements are from the BFSI, 9% placements are with the service sector, 11% placements are from the retail sector, and 4% placements are from the manufacturing. And if we consider it domain wise, then for the marketing specialization, the highest salary offered with this domain, it is nearly up to 20.14 lakhs per annum. The average CTC offered with this domain, it is nearly up to 10.86 lakhs per annum, and the median salary package offered with this domain, it is nearly up to 10 lakhs per annum. Whereas if we consider it for the finance domain, then highest salary package offered with this domain, it is nearly up to 18.97 lakhs per annum. The average CTC offered with the finance is nearly up to 11.06 lakhs per annum, and the median salary package offered with this domain, it is nearly up to 10 lakhs per annum. For the HR specialization, the highest salary package offered with the HR, it is nearly up to 12 lakhs per annum. The average CTC offered with this domain, it is nearly up to 9.75 lakhs per annum, and the median salary package offered with this domain, it is nearly up to 9.50 lakhs per annum. If we consider it for the BA and IT and operations specialization, then for that, the highest salary package offered with this domain, it is nearly up to 13 lakhs per annum. The average salary package offered with this domain, it is nearly up to 10.60 lakhs per annum, and the median salary package offered with this domain, it is nearly up to 10 lakhs per annum. Now coming to the placements for IMT Hyderabad, then the average salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 12 lakhs per annum. The median CTC offered with the IMT Hyderabad is nearly up to 11 lakhs per annum, and the highest salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 25 lakhs per annum. Then there are top 10 offers are with the 20.20 lakhs per annum. Top 20 offers were made with the average salary package of 18.10 lakhs per annum. Top 50 offers were made with the average salary package of 15.75 lakhs per annum, and top 100 offers were made with the average salary package of 13.51 lakhs per annum. If we consider the sector-wise offers, then there are 22% offers were made with the consulting sector, 10% offers were made with the banking and insurance, 12% offers were from the automobile and manufacturing, then 9% offers were made from the FMCG, FMCD, retail, e-commerce and others, 35% offers were made from the IT and ITES, and 12% offers were made from the financial services. If we consider it function wise, then for the analytics and IT, the highest salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 15.61 lakhs per annum, and the average salary package offered is 10.87 lakhs per annum. For the finance, the highest salary package offered is 25 lakhs per annum, and the average salary package offered is 12.30 lakhs per annum. For the human resource, the highest salary package offered is 15.55 lakhs per annum, and the average CTC offered with this is nearly up to 13.47 lakhs per annum. For the marketing, the highest CTC offered is nearly up to 16.61 lakhs per annum, and the average CTC offered is 11.77 lakhs per annum. For operations, the highest CTC offered is nearly up to 16.61 lakhs per annum, and the average CTC offered is nearly up to 12.41 lakhs per annum. So this is all about all the three campuses for the IMT. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.